Took my guitar downtown Paducah, heard a tune I couldn't believe. A little squawk here, a little squawk there, they were squawking man everywhere. Seagulls on the Ohio River, rolling, they're rolling. Seagulls rolling on the river, running down the dock, picking up rocks. Little bitty legs ain't got no socks. Seagulls rolling on the river. I asked my friend down in Tennessee, what in the world could these birds be? There ain't an ocean in 1,000 miles. He just looked at me and smiled and said, seagulls rolling on the river, rolling, they're rolling. Seagulls rolling on the river, running down the dock, picking up rocks. Little bitty legs ain't got no socks. Seagulls rolling on the river. Wouldn't you know, it's all over town. Yeah, the word finally got around. Now everybody comes down to see my little feathered buddies and me. Seagulls rolling on the river, rolling, they're rolling. Seagulls rolling on the river, running down the dock, picking up rocks. Little bitty legs ain't got no socks. Seagulls rolling on the river, seagulls rolling on the river. Seagulls rolling on the river.